To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Oliver.
She does not get along with the cats.
He's like, get off of me.
Gotta get you clean.
These were the iPhones officers took off the men.
Hi.
Suspicious, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Phoenix?
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no!
So let me in, open your house, I'm just a cat, let me concur.
And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Mr. Chief, face the camera. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Lay down.
가자.
Не надо. Ты...
Se você não parar, eu vou chamar o Bolsonaro.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
You scared? You don't seem scared.
Please. Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. I'm not just talking like this.
Y ahora te
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Nanti cariin abang Atar loh, Cocok. Cocok.
Penelope Panini, you come here right now.
Come here.
Baby, would you bring me?
You found a hot dog.
Can you show me your booty? Ay.
Better run. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Meow!
No, he's gonna make it.
Knock it off. Hey.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. Oh, I see it.
Tres.
Come on.
Спасибо, моя кисть.
Wait.
Yeet. Chiki, 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 yeah.
Come here, guy. Buddy.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Stop, you're scaring me.
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
happy and you know I clap your hands. No.
What are you doing?
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
You gotta lay it down.
My boy?
Hello, kitty. Misty! Chic.
Oh, look how happy you are. Oh. What are you doing? Oh no. What are you doing in here?